Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Miscellaneous points.
Mullerian inhibiting substance. Mullerian inhibiting substance is also produced in females at the time of puberty by small follicles called as preantral or antral follicles. Mesonephric tubules in the males leads to the formation of efferent tubules.
Mesonephric tubules in the males will form the efferent tubules. Mesonephric tubules in males will form efferent tubules.
thank you and thank you for watching.